In Windows, Focus Assist is a feature that helps you stay focused and avoid distractions by managing and filtering notifications. It is available in Windows 10 and later versions, including Windows 11. To learn more about this feature, you can watch this video tutorial. Now, Focus Assist is turned off by default in Windows 11, and to enable it, search for Focus Assist, click on the option, and choose from the available options. You can also enable it through the taskbar. Just click the volume or battery network icon on the taskbar, select Focus Assist, choose from the available options, such as priority or alarms only, by clicking once or twice. Moreover, in the automatic rules section, you can also set focus levels with various options such as set specific start and end times for Focus Assist with the choice to repeat on weekends or weekdays. Utilize the When I'm duplicating my display option to avoid notifications when using multiple monitors. Select When I'm playing a game option to block all notifications during game sessions. Block all notifications for an hour after a Windows feature update. Or you can also select when using an application in full screen mode, all notifications will be blocked. Additionally, to ensure a distraction-free period, create focus sessions using the clock application. Do that by opening the clock, click Get Started, and choose the time options for the session's duration. And that's how you can easily turn on and use the Focus Assist on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.